The best laser levels are an essential tool, whether you're doing some home DIY or working as a professional builder. They are used on every construction site, but they're just as vital when you're hanging up a photo or a shelf on a wall. In fact, even when you're taking that photo, they can be useful for composition. Laser levels are basically a more modern and precise version of the old-fashioned spirit level. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Laser Levels. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Klein Tools 93 LCLG Laser Level. Self-leveling laser level is easy to read with green horizontal and vertical laser lines and red plumb spot lasers. Projects horizontal and vertical lines independently or together to address various alignment tasks. Integrated magnetic 360-degree mounting bracket with a 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch tripod mounting threads. Magnetic bracket facilitates attachment to ferromagnetic objects such as steel studs, doors, beams, or electrical panels. Number 4. Johnson Level & Tool 99-006K Self-Leveling. The 99-006K self-leveling rotary laser system includes a soft carrying case, a 13-foot grade rod, LED one-sided detector, a contractor-grade tripod, freestanding target, a drop ceiling bracket, and laser glasses. Great for leveling forms and footings, aligning fence posts, grading/excavation, or laying out retaining walls, planting beds, and more. 800-foot working range over 11 acres. Number 3. Bosch GPL 130G Self-Leveling Laser. Accurately transfers and aligns level, plumb, 90 degrees and grade points. Monitors power consumption to maximize line visibility and extend battery life. Up to 4x brighter than standard red beams for easy job site visibility. Full rubber overmold housing helps protect every major impact point, with a design similar to a roll cage for extended tool life. 3-point laser for one-person job layout. Bosch exclusive VisIMAX technology. Number 2. Bosch GLL 25-10 Multi-Use Laser Level. Projects 2 very bright lines that are precisely level and plumb for a wide array of level and alignment applications such as picture hanging, painting, and at-home projects. Projects highly visible laser level lines up to 30 feet with an accuracy of 5/16 in at 30-foot distance. Clamps to multiple surfaces and provides a rotating 360-degree neck for quick setup and simple fine-tuning to best meet your project needs. Self-levels and indicates out-of-level condition for professional confidence. Number 1. Black + Decker BDL 220S Laser Level. A 360-degree rotating wall attachment projects the laser line at any angle. Ideal for hanging pictures, mirrors, and decorative items, installing shelves and curtain rods, and other household applications. 2 backlit bubble vials for enhanced visibility and accuracy. Improves visibility of angle reference points. 360-degree rotating wall attachment projects a laser line at any angle.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.